In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit Solana on Axiom Pro using your Phantom wallet. Alright, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and search for Axiom Pro. Once you've located the site, log into your Axiom Pro account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do so using your usual credentials. Assuming you're now inside your account dashboard, the next step is to find the deposit option. It's usually prominent and easy to spot, often located in the menu or as a clear button on your main account page. Go ahead and click on this deposit option. After selecting deposit, you'll be presented with a deposit address. This is a vital piece since it's where you'll be sending your Solana. Your next move is to carefully copy this address. You can either use the copy button if available or manually highlight and copy it. Double-check to ensure that the entire address is selected, avoiding any extra spaces, as accuracy here is crucial to prevent any error in the transaction. Now, open up your Phantom Wallet app. You should find your wallet screen welcoming you. Here, you'll see an array of options, one of which is the Send button. Tap on this Send button, which will then prompt you to choose which cryptocurrency you'd like to transfer. In this case, select Solana from the list. With Solana selected, you'll be asked for the recipient's Solana address. This is where you need to paste that deposit address you copied just a moment ago from your Axiom account. Again, ensure you double-check that the address is pasted correctly for security and peace of mind. Once you're sure the address is right, it's time to enter the amount of Solana you wish to deposit. This step is quite straightforward. Simply type in the quantity you need. Be mindful about considering any balance and transaction fees at this point to ensure the figures add up. After entering the amount, carry on by clicking the Next button to move towards confirming your deposit details. This is your chance to review everything one final time. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message, which will also indicate the fee associated with your deposit. Once you've reviewed all the details and are satisfied, go ahead and formalize the action by clicking Send. Now, it's time to sit tight for a few seconds. Typically, these transactions don't take long. Wait a moment and you should see the Solana appear seamlessly in your Axiom account. And with that, you've successfully completed depositing Solana using your Phantom wallet on Axiom Pro. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.